to kind of hedge our bets and give us a little more cash flow, we put half the field in this polycropping corn and soybeans. And most people associate, okay, Jason, you're only planting corn on 1/3 of the footprint of the soil, so you're going to get 1/3 the yield. And all of my research has found that we can really create these matchups where we get more plant production. And what we're trying to do is to get a little bit more production by harvesting more light. So this corn is genetically engineered to have 14 sets of leaves, but we're only utilizing the top few. And what I found is as we give this more light, we take out this 4-cycle engine and we put it in a V8, and we can get larger production per plant. So a little short story on this corn. This was planted no-till into cereal rye, and we banded our nitrogen. Nitrogen is a synthetic input that farmers really use to bolster our corn yields. By giving these plants more sunshine and in these wider rows, we can band our nitrogen and lower our total amounts of nitrogen per bushel produced. So that's the relationship. As well, these soybeans are a legume that take nitrogen out of the air and put that into the soil. If you see these little circles right there, those are nitrogen nodules. And these corn roots are very large. They'll go in there and share that nitrogen out of the sky. So we should get some benefit there. So between the liquid carbon and the sunshine and the legume, we should be able to grow corn with less amount of energy for the farmer. Also less seeds, and we'll see how it goes. So from a logistics standpoint, what we can do is any large combine has 120-inch tracks, so that the tires are 120-inch on center. So we can put fat tracks and put fat tires and just run over the corn and put a little protective device to keep the soybeans from hitting that cutter bar and taking that corn, trample it down with our tires, which will mash it down to the ground. And then when we cut the soybeans, it all works. It's just a little bit of forethought there, so we'll follow along.